Alright, in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Tomei Turbo. This is the MX7960. There's the part number. You can see this is for the Genesis Coupe. So we're going to be unboxing this thing. Let's do it. There's the installation manual. This is for the Genesis Coupe. So this is from 2010 to 12. Key band. There's the part number, serial number, I think for the warranty purpose. That's a nice sticker from the car. And a pen. Alright, check this thing out. Shit, where is this? Oh, that's all the attachments and everything here. There's your anti-seize. You get anti-seize. Crap, it's coming out.
Jeez.
Sticker and anti-seize. See, there's the box. Oh, there's the springs. I'm gonna move this thing, hold up. Okay. There are your springs for the wastegate actuator. So you can change the springs in the wastegate. Here are your hoses. Comes all the hose and everything, just in case. For all the piping as well, there's the oil line. The gaskets and the bolts. Now you know if you have the exhaust. Yeah, this is stock fit, completely stock fit. So you have the bolts, nuts, everything that go onto the stock manifold. You can see there's a manifold gasket, and then there's the turbo or the gasket at the back that goes to the cat. Now let's get on to what we've been waiting for. Jeez. Oh man, that's heavy.
Damn.
Anything else in the box? That's it. Oh, it smells funky. Holy, look at that.
Jeez. That's the nail.
Try. There it is. There it is. Tomei MX7960. Now this is not the M960, 7960. This is the MX, so this is the newer version, newer upgraded one. This is the turbo. This is the G4KF MX7960, and it comes with the wastegate actuator. Now there is no blow-off valve on this. You will have to run a blow-off valve off the cold side of the intake, on the intercooler piping, or if you don't want to run any blow-off valve. See, okay, yeah, there's no play in that. Oh, that is massive. Look at that. Can't wait to put this on. There's the back, so like I said, that goes to your cat, or if you're running, you know, catless, you just put that downpipe on. There's the wastegate. And yeah, that's it. This is the Tomei Turbo. Now we're going to be doing an installation video soon to come, so just keep a heads up for that. Then we're going to get tuned at SFR, doing a custom dyno tune. And then yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's it. Tomei Turbo. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our future videos.